Hey, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. It has been a while, so here's a quick little video just to get me back into the swing of things and explain why I like to walk so much. Here are 10 reasons I love walking and why you should too. Number 10, it burns calories, which can help you lose weight. Number 9, it strengthens your heart. Walking at least 30 minutes a day can reduce your risk for coronary heart disease. Number 8, it boosts your immune system, which can help you fight off flu or a cold. Number 7, it eases joint pain. Just 5 to 6 miles a week can prevent arthritis from forming to begin with. Number 6, it improves your sleep. Walking also helps reduce pain and stress, which can interrupt your sleep. Number 5, stress relief. Strolling in nature can be especially good for your mental health. Number 4, adds years to your life. Research has found that just taking a few more steps each day can actually help you live longer. Number 3, strengthens muscles. Walking tones your legs and your abdominal muscles and even your arm muscles if you pump them. Number 2, stabilizes blood sugar. Walking has the ability to improve your glucose regulation and lower your 24-hour blood sugar level. And number 1, boosts brain power. Exercise improves your blood flow to the brain, which helps it function better. So get out there and take that evening stroll. It's really good for you.